all scripts are edited successfully. Just click execute and enjoy in your scripts. What's up people, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called abloop.com and type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. Open your official profile on your browser and just copy your profile link. Okay, let's get back to the R tool. Then you have paste button and automatically you will get your Roblox user ID. User found, nice. The next step is to select on button and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. So I'll select this. Let me click continue and let's see the next step. So guys, if you want to follow the latest review for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites for how this Abloop is the best working method for Delta Executor. Okay, AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to allow 2 free games or reps or complete 2 simple questions. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher of the app. Are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task if you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will now travel down and mode the casino, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task. I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. So if you have this message, just wait for this redirecting. Okay, and let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thanks for passing the boat check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this. Okay, so let me open the game and let's test, does it actually work? So let me play this Grow Garden. Okay, and let's see, guys. Okay guys, I'm in the game now, and as you can see we have these panels. So we have this message: thank you for using Delta, guys. Look at this, all scripts are edited successfully. Just click execute and enjoy in your scripts. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.